We are not what you think. We are not asking for us, and we don't take any salary. We won't use your money to fund delegations, private cars, and jets. We don't want to disturb you when it's lunchtime, or with ads appealing to your conscience. We will not call you at home. We won't chase you on the streets to become a member. We just need a little help between all of us, help for 200 Sahrawi diabètics in Tinduf refugee camps. They need our help.
The Apss, with the help from generous and committed people within the Sahrawi community, is running a project with periodic testing and support called Cobas B101 for those with diabetic diseases. This project will implement a great saving in medication and prevention of disease development. Every 6 months, we administer testing and analysis of each patient. All information is then collated to subsequently prescribe the most appropriate medication. All of this great work has an initial cost that our association takes responsibility for, thanks to the generous donations received periodically by our contributors. We do not have any official help, nor state or international subsidy. We solely depend on you. In our environment, a diabetic is more capable to fight the disease and lead a relatively normal life. In refugee camps, everything is more complicated and patients are dependent on your help.